Come with me as we begin the renovation. Hi! Welcome and welcome back. Welcome to our village. As you can see, nimevadera. So Nico Coast. In this video, we're going to do a small renovation for our village kitchen. So come with me as we begin the renovation. This is one of the bedrooms. We have this closet, but we want to change the doors and the interior of this closet because this material is not long lasting. These ones were inside here. These drawers were inside here, but sometimes they could fall off. Sometimes you pull the drawer and it's stuck behind the wall. So I decided to take this out from here. As you can see, the closet is now empty. So we want to do the drawers and then redo these doors as well. This is another bedroom. The story is the same. The drawers still didn't perform as much as we wanted. They were not long lasting. We had to remove them from the closet. As you can see, so we're going to change the face of all these and the doors and the handles. Want it to look spectacular. These are kitchen cabinet doors and kitchen cabinet drawers after they were removed from the kitchen. I do not have a video of before, sorry for that, but the mistake we made is going for the same material as we did for the bedroom closet, which we are now changing, and we have now decided to use veneer board as the material of choice, and we think it's best. This is our kitchen at the moment. Nothing much, looking cute though. So whatever I had shown you, the doors and the drawers are from inside this kitchen. We also got rid of every equipment inside the kitchen so that the fundis can have an easier time working their way in the kitchen. This area is blank, take a note of that. This is our second kitchen window. Below that window is where we do our cooking, our frying, kupika mapocho pocho. And another place you should notice is this blank area. Notice all these blank areas. We'll do something spicy to them, something nice. This door goes to our storage area. We won't get into that. This area was a last minute thought. We decided to add this again. This area, take note of it, that area, we'll also do something to it as well. So this is an overview of our kitchen. Soak the before in. Let it soak in before you see the after.
Kuna ile kitu kwa nguo, alafu hapa ndo kuna shelf.
Yeah.
Alafu hapa chini kuna drawer nyingine.
Hapa kuna drawers.
So hizi za ndani ziko ama tena. So hapa the only solution ni hiyo tu itolewe hivi kama tunataka kuchange.
Yeah. Ama tufanye hivi. Before nikate, kama utabadilisha. Si tubadilisha hii peke yake. Tuone kama hizo boards zitatosha kabati mbili. Kama za kuongeza tuongeze kabati mbili.
Yeah.
Full.
Yes.
Kama tutabadilisha hii milango, tubadilishe yani hii kabati kwa saa hii before nikate. Alafu tuone kama itatosha hii na ile. Ile kitabaki tuongeza hizo boards.
It's that what we want, like the new whatever.
Yeah.
Look. It's fine. Si bora hiyo yote itoke. Si hiyo yote itatoka. It's fine. Isipobaki zitotoma inaongezwa ngapi? Tuongeze hiyo board. Kani moja bali ngapi?
Sawa.
The fundis are measuring and cutting different parts that will belong to the cupboard, parts that will belong to the closet, the bedroom closet, parts that will make up the cabinet door, the drawers. So this is what is happening at the moment.
Minutes later.
After measuring and cutting and measuring, this is what we have now. That is a complete frame that is standing tall. At the moment, the fundi is assembling different parts of the board that will make up a frame. So as you can see, this is what is happening at the moment. After the measuring and the cutting, you do the assembling, and then voila, you have a complete frame. So this is a complete frame that will go into a kitchen space. So here there are no doors, there are no drawers, it's just a frame that will be attached to the wall. We are inside the house, we are from the bedrooms, we are going to change the cupboard, but this is our area of concentration. This is our kitchen. So come with us. Karibuni. So this is our kitchen. The cupboards that are on the floor were inside here. So what happened first, I was not able to take a video of that, but the old cupboards were here in this kitchen. As you can see, it's empty. So the fundis already removed the old cupboards that were here. We had cupboards here. We also had a cupboard here and here, but this one did not exist before. We thought it would be best to have additional storage. So the fundis created this wall. Here it was just like an empty space, an open space. So the fundis created this top here and this area. So at this moment, the fundis are still working, as you have seen. So these, whatever you see here, are frames that will go inside these empty spaces. Like this frame belongs to this space. And here, as you can see, let me move this. As you can see, this frame has already been installed here. So and then they will put the door on this area plus the handles. So here we have different frames. We have this one also, which will fit inside here, and this frame. This is the store area. We want to go into this area. And then this frame is also, this frame also belongs here. And then we have these are the drawers. They will go either there or there. The fundi is called Sam. He does an amazing job. If you've not watched my previous videos, go watch all of them. Especially the one I uploaded of us doing our home renovation. The kitchen cabinets, the bedroom closet, he's the one who did them, and he did an amazing job. He comes highly recommended. are back again with another beautiful data, of course. So, this is how the cupboards look now.
Wow.
Very nice, very pretty. So I decided to go for this color. We've not painted this wall, but I just wanted to show you guys how the cupboard or the closet now looks like. Very big difference from the other wooden cupboard that were looking ish. Up there we still have the old drawers, so let us open and see how the closets look now.
Wow.
We decided to install a rod so you can hang your clothes up here, and yeah, like shirts, dresses that maybe are ironed or something. And then we decided to go for one drawer here where you put your personal things like panty liners and yeah, what's not. There's also more storage down here. You can decide to put your shoes there. We went for that. And then on this side we decided to divide this section so that you can have more room where you can fold your clothes and keep your clothes. So as you can see, we have clothes there, more clothes there, and more clothes here. Down here you can decide to put your bags and your clutch bags or your handbags. So this is how the cupboard looks now, and we are happy with the outcome. This is again another room. We went for the same color. So this is how the cupboard looks like, the closet looks like. So let's have a look. This is how it looks like now. It's looking nice and cute. So we again just did the same thing. We installed a rod here so you can hang your clothes. Like you see here, a few dresses have been hanged, and then more space for clothes. A drawer here for your personal items, your jewelry, accessories, and here nets. Okay. And then on this side is again subdivided into sections for the purpose of more storage. We always go for extra storage and more room. So as you can see here, there are neatly folded, and more clothes down here, bags down there, so you can try to put your bags or your shoes however you want it. Again, as you can see up there, we have the old drawers. You can see the difference between whatever we had before and these beautiful drawers that we have now that are easy to open, easy to close, and are not going to spoil any time soon. So let me show you one more thing. We have a small sink behind me where we brush our teeth before you go into the washroom and the bathroom. So what we decided to do, we didn't have this before, so we just thought instead of you having your brushes in your rooms, because the sink is quite small, there's no space for us to like store our brushes, so we decided to build this up here where we can put our toiletries, our washing powder, our toothpaste, toothbrushes, and this is how it looks like. We have our Harpics there, our disinfectants there, our toothbrushes, pegs, of course, washing dish, air freshener. So I thought this was a good addition to this area before you get into the washroom or the bathroom. So this was another addition to our village home.